Hello all my family and friends, welcome to another episode. This Saturday has been a really dreary one. It's a hot summer day, but today we got some rain that's cooled us off, so it's been kind of dreary. We thought today, since school is just around the corner starting this week for a lot of the kids here, we thought we'd just fix like an afternoon snack or appetizer for any occasion. So right now we're going to do a pizza pinwheels. I've already got I got an 8-ounce crescent rolls. There's 4 of them. I pinched them together. Need to pinch the seams together so there's going to be 4 of them that we're going to fill. And what we're going to do, I've got 2 cups of mozzarella cheese that we're going to put over them. Try to get as evenly as possible. Just a little bit extra here. That'll do. Okay, and also we've got pepperoni. We're going to put some pepperoni. I've get 24 pieces. I'm going to try to put like about 6 to helping here. Okay, then I've got, go ahead and do this real quick here. I'm trying to put 6 to a piece. And this is optional. I've got 2 tablespoons of bell pepper, so I'm just going to kind of spread up on there. And I'm going to put about a tablespoon of onion. Like I said, this is optional. Okay, now then we're going to take and we're going to roll them up. We've got them all rolled up. I am cutting them in, we rolled them lengthwise, and so I am going to cut them in 4. You can do them smaller if you wish, but I want to do mine in 4s today. Okay, now then we are going to take these pizza pinwheels and we're going to put them in the oven, and we're going to bake them for probably at 375 for about 15 minutes, and then we'll come back and show you the finished product. Okay, we got our pizza pinwheels in the oven, and now then I'm going to do a ham and cheese pinwheel. I'm starting off with a 8-ounce cream cheese at room temperature. Just going to kind of spread it around, mix it up just a little bit. We're going to add 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, mayo, good old mayo. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of dill weed, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. This is going to be the mixture that we spread on our flour tortilla before we put our deli meats on it to roll it up. Raise it up, it's clanking and making a noise. I think my cream cheese could have been a little bit softer, but we're making it. Okay, I am going to take and spread this on What I will do is I'm going to take and fix one, spread it out there, and then we'll be back and show you how many we've actually done. But I'm just going to go ahead and spread this on here. It's just a flour tortilla. Okay, and then you're going to use deli meats of your choice. Today I am using Black Forest ham. So I'm going to take and put, and there again, this is your preference of how many slices that you would want on there. I'm going to do about 3 slices. I'm going to take American cheese. And put on it. And then on top of that, I'm going to do a white American cheese. And then what we will do is we will take and just roll them up. And then I take and I cut off the end to make them kind of even. And then I'm just going to cut them. Let's see, 1, 2, probably about 5 slices here, maybe 6. And then we'll take and we put them in the refrigerator and let them set for just a little while. And that's going to be our ham and cheese pinwheel. That would be a good afternoon snack for your kids. Or it's a good appetizer, a good little snack for football games. But I'm going to go ahead and do some more. Okay, we've got it finished here. I ended up using 4 large flour tortillas. Now then we've got to put it in the refrigerator and let it get good and cool. By the time I got finished, the cheese is beginning to get a little pretty soft. This is my pizza rolls, and what we'll do is take it and dip it in pizza sauce. And there you have it. That's our little pinwheels for today.
All right. And bracket thing, we got potato salad, bean nut corn salad, and this next battle is Shingadiddy versus protein balls. So we'll see you next week.
Okay, thank you. Hope you try this and enjoy it. Have a good weekend. Thank you.